Hello viewers, how are you? This is me, Umer Khan. The baby is born just now, and now we will put umbilical cord to the baby, and welcome to this baby in our real world. The baby is come from a small world to our big world, and the baby will live with us from now. So every baby is a miracle, and every baby is a rising star, and every baby is hope for this world, because they can change our world and they can improve the world with peace and with the help of poor people. So I will announce a live video and program from Royal Nursery Unit and Children Hospital, Timergarah, and in the video we will show anything, our services, our license, our doctors, anything. We will record the video, and also we will start live session with all the viewers. You can ask question and we will give you every answer with transparency. The viewers, now we are not ask for help, financial help, etc., to do with these poor babies. In our NICU, not every baby is poor. There are 5 to 15% the most poor people who cannot afford even $1 for their baby's services, etc. But in previous time and in previous months, we ask for very much poor babies, and we provide all the scented help to babies. And I saw and I record anything. Some people send clothes, etc., so we sends to the families, and also some financial help. We provide all the babies with transparency. Total collected amount was $1,065 dollars total. So we use these for medicine, treatment, and transportation charges for the babies, etc.